Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lamp. She transformed nursing and saved countless lives. But who was Florence Nightingale? And known as the founder of modern nursing, her impact was profound. During the Crimean War, she arrived at military hospitals and was shocked by filthy wards and high death rates among wounded soldiers. Defying Victorian norms, she led a team of nurses to the front lines. With compassion and resolve, she improved hygiene, cleanliness, and patient care. Mortality rates dropped dramatically. But her legacy didn't end there. Nightingale gathered data, published reports, and pioneered the use of statistics in healthcare. Her focus on evidence-based practice laid the foundation for modern nursing and reshaped public health. Florence Nightingale, symbol of leadership and compassion.